Minnesota, where me boys that know fast money don't show.
Hello everyone, this is your Black China doll coming in with Butter Lace 12. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. Where's all of my stuff? Okay, this is the unit. I have it in, what color is this? Money Piece Hazel. Money Piece Hazel. I have dyed the lace already. Okay, regular cap construction, comb in the front, comb in the back. No, comb in the back and adjustable straps only. Okay, let's try it on. I always put my wig grip way too far. Be trying to cover up that forehead, girl. That's what I'll be trying to do. Cover up that faux. Cause I got a faux ready for the dough. It is just big for no reason. Okay, so here it is. Here is the sides. Okay, here's the other side. Okay. All right, so I wanted to explain to you guys why I'll be changing up the content is because I will be going for another surgery on my left hand. So, of course, I'm not going to be able to put on any wigs for a while until, you know, the healing gets a little better. So I'll be off work for about 6 weeks. That's what I'm calculating, about 6 weeks. So that's why we'll be changing it up. So, you know, I'll be doing more doing DUIs probably. Does this product work kind of thing. I mean, dying to try. I'll make a video about boob tape because, girl, if any tape can hold up these boobs, that's the tape for me. That's the tape for me because girls are big. Okay, so I am just cutting off the lace and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I have cut the lace off. Here it is. All right, and she is shedding. Whoa, a lot. Now, it could be because this color, I don't know, but it's a lot of hair coming out. A lot. Okay. And here she is. I have not glued her down or anything like that. That's a lot of hair. Let me show you guys. Can you see that? That's a lot of hair. That is a lot of hair. Definitely. For just cutting off the lace. Okay, so there she is. Not certain if I like this Money Piece Hazel. Not certain if I like that color. On me. Okay. I'm still pulling out hair, guys. It's like this thing is scared or something. It's a lot of hair coming out. A lot of hair coming out. Okay, but here she is. Want to try her on. I will be putting in some box braids, crochet box braids. So we'll make a video about that. Since I won't be able to do my hair, I'm going to have it so that, you know, it's in a protective style while I heal. But here's the, I do have a brush. All right. I really don't like the curl pattern. Just looks like a lazy curl or whatever. But this is a, you know, a good everyday wig and, you know, something to throw on going to work. And that's exactly what I'm doing. All right. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. It's been about a good eight hours later. I guess 6 to 8 hours later, okay, since this morning. So this morning I put the unit on, did everything, and this is what I came up with. I wore the unit all day today. So what I can tell you is, with the wear test of this, I don't like the texture of this hair. It doesn't like, I don't know, it's something about this hair. I don't like the texture of it. It wears pretty, you know, but I guess, you know, I have to wear it a little longer to get the feel of it. But I didn't too much, you know, like it. I had to keep putting mousse on it so it could keep its curl like this, because it kept doing flyaways and getting really big or whatever. So I don't know what was going on. But I did put some baby hairs. I swooped the front curved part, and I pressed down, used the pressing comb for the top part. Okay, so other than that, if it was a 10 scale, 1 to 10 scale, I give it probably like an 8. Probably like an 8, because it just, for some reason, it just, I don't know. I don't like it. I mean, I don't love it. I don't like it. I don't hate it. It's one of them kind of things where, you know what I'm saying, I'll wear it, but, you know, if there's anything else other than this that I can wear, I will. Okay, so other than that, everything is cool. Okay, what else I need to tell you? So I left work early and I went to go see the surgeon, because on Monday, today is Thursday, because Monday I actually go and have surgery on this hand. Okay, so Monday, that's what's going on, and that's why the content on the channel will be changing for a little bit, so that I can still have content. And you know, I need my hand to put the wig on, so it'll be out of commission, so I'm not gonna be able to do that. So we'll be discussing other things, you know, getting into other things or whatever. And so Monday is the actual surgery. It's so funny because I've been through surgery with this hand already, and you would think, you know, oh, you know what's gonna happen or whatever, and it's just when they get to talking about them side effects and stuff, it's like they scare you all over again. It's like, hey, I didn't put my big girl drawers on. Don't tell me about this other stuff. Now I'm worried about this. Now I'm worried about that. So at any rate, Mamacita gonna get it done, because that's what I do. I'm gonna get it done, but it's just, you know, it's a scary situation. Okay, so that's that. Gonna get that done. Oh, and Saturday, or maybe tonight, I'm not certain, but I'll be putting box braids in my hair, because like I said, I'm not going to be able to do nothing with my head. And honey, I got a man now. I can't be over here looking two toe up for the man to come over and visit, I got to look some kind of way presentable. I can't get to these wigs, so I'm going to put some box braids in, or whatever, to me, just because your hand is all messed up, that is no excuse for you to be sitting over here looking like you crazy. So I got to get that done Saturday. So I'm going to do some crochet box braids. So what I plan to do is, the back is crocheted, and then the front, I'm going to try to do the individual ones. You guys will see the video, so we'll work on that too. So that will be my last hair video until my hand is a little bit more able to use, and then we'll start from there. Okay, so y'all remember how I did it last time? I had that little cast on, and I was doing stuff with the little cast on, so that's all right. Look, I ain't gonna stop your content just because I'm going through something. All right, but anyway, this is she, and this is the Butter Lace 12. Now y'all tell me if y'all like it. To me, I don't know. I'm on the fence, okay? I'm on the fence about this one. Now, the lace is beautiful. The lace is cool. Love the lace, but I'm not too crazy about this hair. But then I was thinking, I was looking at another YouTuber, and it's something about this cinnamon. It just changes the texture of the hair. This color just changes the texture of the hair. So maybe that's it. I don't know. But at any rate, I'm here for it, but I'm not. Okay. So I was just coming in to give you guys the rundown on the wear test. I did get a compliment on the hair when I was going to the pharmacy to pick up the medication for Monday. Somebody said, "Oh, your hair is so pretty. It's so pretty." So, when I'm saying here's a wig, I just said, "Thank you very much. Thank you." And you think, thank you. So, and, but somebody did compliment me on my hair or whatever. So, very lightweight. It was hot outside. I had it on. I didn't feel like, oh God, I'm about to die or whatever. So that was cool. So everything was cool. And yeah, that's the only complaint I have is the texture of the hair. That's it. Just the texture. It's just the texture didn't do nothing for me. Okay. All right, guys. This is your Black China doll coming in with Butter Lace 12 and the wear test of Butter Lace 12. And I'm still on the fence about her. Maybe, the more I wear her, the more it would, soak into me or whatever. But I'm still on the fence with her. So this is going to be probably my last time wearing her. So, maybe the next time I wear it, it'll be like brand new, like, oh, Butter Lace 12, I miss you, so kind of thing. I don't know. But at any rate, I'm just coming in to show you guys about this one here. If you like it, hey, go down to wigtypes.com. Google her. She could be found anywhere or whatever. So, because she's not old and she's not new, but, it is what it is. So why don't you go ahead and rate? Why do I always say rate? There's no rating. Why don't you go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment below, hit the notification bell so you will be notified each time I upload a video. I would love to have you here in the dollhouse. I am your Black China doll, and I will see you on my next video. All right, guys. Bye.